Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to delete your Instagram account from Facebook. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Here, select Account Center from the menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Accounts to view the connected accounts. Here, you'll see both your Facebook and Instagram accounts. Tap on Remove next to the Facebook username. Now, tap on Remove Account. Then, tap on Continue when asked to confirm your action. Finally, tap on Yes, Finish Removing. As you can see, your Instagram account is now disconnected from your Facebook account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.